You vile, despicable creature, you. Let me out of here, at once.
Oh, I can't do that, Phone Man. For you see, Tom Connolly can only have one superpower. And I shall be it.
Wait. Can't we be civil about this, Broccoli Man?
Not anymore, Phone Man. Not anymore.
Come on, flip a coin or something.
No.
For the love of God, Broccoli Man. Don't just take me out. Please. I swear, in the name of John Carpenter, that I will haunt you from beyond the grave.
Alright, Phone Man. I'll tell you what I'll do. Let's state what superpower we would give Tom, and decide which of us he would rather partake of.
Thanks, Broccoli Man. I'll go first. I give Tom the ability to keep in touch with people, namely his friends, considering.
Broccoli gives Tom powers beyond your wildest imagination. I cannot even begin to describe such wonder and glory. But HE has to eat the stem in order for it to work.
Well, I guess you win. Lower me into the lava. It's not like Tom would ever use my superpower, anyhow.